Are you among the millions of men suffering from incontinence, which can be caused by a wide variety of conditions like diabetes or even after treatment for prostate cancer? If you have moderate to heavy incontinence and are frustrated with adult diapers, disposable pads, or condom catheters, you're not alone. Now there's an innovative product called Afex, and it's helping thousands of men worldwide live a more full and active life by effectively managing their incontinence. Afex is a comfortable, discreet, and very cost-effective collection system. It's designed to prevent skin rash and odor, but most importantly, to keep you dry. Here are some details on how the innovative Afex system works for men.
The Afex system is composed of 3 components, consisting of a patented receptacle, a pair of boxer briefs, and a collection bag. The receptacle is composed of a firm but flexible outer shell and soft inner liner, as illustrated here. The inner liner creates a unique double wall, so the skin is elevated away from the residual urine and wetness. And a solid chamber at the top prevents backflow onto the body. The receptacles are available in 3 styles for a variety of applications: low, high, and low soft. Unlike condom catheters, which typically use adhesives, the Afex receptacle is completely adhesive-free, and it's held in place with these comfortable 96% cotton boxer briefs. The collection bags are made of durable vinyl or heavy-duty latex for premium performance. They are sealed with a one-way valve to let urine in and to trap odor, even during high-activity situations like golfing or even jogging. In order to assemble the Afex system, take the receptacle and put it through the strap, and then out through the blue reinforced buttonhole. Then take the collection bag and attach it directly to the receptacle by first lining up the orange notches. Firmly push together and turn to the blue notch to lock the bag to the receptacle. Once assembled, urine is collected directly into the bag and can be drained at your convenience and discretion using the easy open drain clamp. Our briefs also offer a unique horizontal fly, which gives you the option to urinate normally. Since there is no adhesive or pressure, simply unsnap the fly for easy access. For additional stability during high activity levels, use the unique tabs on the bag to secure it to the briefs. During normal activity or sitting situations, we recommend you let the bag hang free to improve flow. Several collection bag sizes are available for various situations, depending on your needs. The Afex configuration shown is designed for daytime active use. Afex can also be configured with additional accessories for non-ambulatory use, such as wheelchair and bed applications. For mobility-challenged patients, we offer an open-sided brief. This one-size-fits-all garment makes it easier for caregivers to put Afex onto their patients and adjust as needed with Velcro tabs. A tube assembly is available to use with a leg bag and holder worn below the knee. The tube assembly attaches to the receptacle with the same turn and click design. To assemble the extension tube, determine the correct length required and cut it with ordinary household scissors. Then push in the upper quick connect coupler. To connect the tube to the bag, simply push them together until they click. To disconnect, push in the gray metal tab on the upper coupler and pull apart. Use the convenient built-in handle to easily drain the bag. These couplers have an auto shut-off feature, which prevents dripping when disconnected, so there's no worry about leakage when draining the bag. For nighttime collection with a stable sleep position, we recommend a high-style receptacle with an extra capacity bag, positioned between the legs as shown. For additional capacity, an extension tube can be used to connect to a 2-liter bed bag. Ensure there is a continual downward flow of the extension tube by positioning the bag over the end of the bed. If you sleep on your stomach or toss and turn during the night, we suggest the use of our snap-in overnight pad. Simply remove the receptacle and snap the pad into the horizontal fly. Then stabilize it in the back with the Velcro tab. To launder the pad, lift up the front tab and pull out the absorbent layers. To ensure proper maintenance of your Afex system, we recommend that you clean your receptacle and collection bag on a daily basis. Follow the detailed instructions on the cleaning container and cleansing solution. For vented collection bags, which feature a white membrane, there is an additional step to remove impurities which can impact the performance. After cleaning with cleanser, saturate the membrane with regular household rubbing alcohol. Then, allow the membrane to dry completely before using the bag again.
Once your Afex system is assembled for use, simply step into it like you would any other pair of regular briefs. Ensure the system is positioned correctly and go about your daily activities and start enjoying the many benefits of this innovative device. Here's how Afex has already improved the quality of life for many men and their loved ones.